Hey everyone, it's BrandTech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your computer start from a boring Windows 7 computer and transform completely into a Mac OS X operating system. Now, this isn't going to be the actual operating system, it's just going to be the look and feel of an operating system. So, we're going to start off by downloading the pack that I have in the video description. It might be in some parts or it might be all together, I'm not sure. So anyway, once we have it downloaded, we're just going to want to extract it and go into the setup. We're going to want to set up everything in here. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Everything in here you're going to need for this theme. So after we have it set up, we're just going to basically right click on our taskbar. We're going to go to properties. We're going to use small icons, taskbar location at the top, taskbar buttons, and never combine. And we're going to click apply and OK. We're not going to go back into the pack, and we are going to wait a minute. No, we're not going to go back into the pack just yet. We are now going to right click on our desktop and go to personalize, and we're going to change our mouse pointers, and we're going to choose Mac OS X. And we're going to apply it and OK that stuff. We are now going to open up window blinds. We're going to go up here to skin options and install new, and we are going to go find our theme, which is in the extra, and we just want to click this and click open. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again, and you just want to scroll over till you find it, and it's going to be called Mac OS X Ultimate. Just want to double click on that. Now the only thing that I don't like about this theme, and it's still loading for me, so the only thing that I don't like about this theme is that these are on the right side and not the left. So that's the only thing I don't like. So we're just going to exit out of window blinds now, and we are going to go back in here, and we are going to open up the wallpapers. And we can choose any one of these wallpapers, but I like this wallpaper the best, so I'm going to set that as my background. So now we are going to open up Nexus, which is right here, and it's gonna initialize it, and no. Okay, so you want to just seeing if this all works. Okay, so we just want to right click and go to Nexus and Preferences, and we're gonna want to go to Position and Dock to Screen Edge, bottom for attach dock to which screen edge you want to click bottom. Make sure that this is at 0%, and keep the dock always above under windows. Make sure it's selected same as other windows. Prevent maximize windows from overlapping dock. Make sure that's checked, and also the one beneath it. You then want to go to behavior, and you want on check auto hide the dock after a short delay, and you want to do not launch multiple sessions, or you can check that if you want. Which action would you want to prevent dock from being moved, and you want to do the one right below that also. You then want to go to appearance, and you want to make your things be at 35 pixels. You want to hide dock control icon. You want to show icon labels on mouse over, and you want to show indicator on shortcuts to applications that are currently running, and you want to choose glass circle blue. Okay, so now we're going to go to effects, and we're going to do no mouse over effect. The launch effect is going to be bounce, and we're going to enable Vista Glass blur effect for semi-transparent dock backgrounds. Now going to go to themes, and we are going to select leopard. We're not going to go to sounds. Actually, I think everything else. Show running applications on this dock, you want to check that, and show icons of running applications as window thumbnails. You want to check that. You're then going to go to general, and you want to select run Nexus at startup, and show Nexus icon in the system tray. Okay, so after that, I'm pretty sure that we're almost done. So in advanced, we are, I think I left all these regular. Okay, so after that, we just want to click apply and okay. Now, you can drag out and drag in whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You can customize this dock as much as you want. But we're gonna go into the icons folder now, and as you can see, I have a GarageBand. Well, anyway, you guys, it's a mess in here. So we're gonna fix this. Now the GarageBand temp you don't want to mess with. The search temp you don't want to mess with. The GarageBand ICO you don't want to mess with. The GarageBand we're gonna mess with, and you don't want to mess with this one. Yeah. So you want to drag in the GarageBand here. You also want to drag in search here. Now, one last thing that we're going to do is on our desktop, we're going to right click our recycle bin and we're going to rename it garbage. And we're going to create a shortcut, and we're going to right click this shortcut and we're going to go to properties, change icon, and we're going to browse, and we're going to choose where our thing is, which is on my desktop, and it is in my thing here, icons, and Mac trash can. Okay, yeah, anyway, open, apply, and after that we're gonna exit, and we're just gonna drag this all the way to the right corner, and we're gonna right click it, and we are going to go to rename, and we're gonna rename this just garbage, or anything you want actually. Now this is gonna be basically what it looks like, and you're gonna want to drag in all the applications that you want, including iTunes and Cinema 4D if you have it, QuickTime Player, GarageBand, Safari, yeah, so all of these that you want in here. Now, one last thing that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to right click on our desktop, go to view, and show desktop icons. So after that, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna find Finderbar engine, and that's gonna put on the engine for us, which I think should be loading up anytime. And that's gonna load up Finderbar. I mean, I didn't, and it should be loading up. I don't know why it's not loading up. Oh, there it is. Okay, so as you can see, Finderbar works completely fine. Finderbar is very great, and Finder, and it all works. About this Mac, as you can see, that works great. And I'm just gonna open up Google Chrome to show you that it actually works. And as you can, well, I don't know why this isn't working, but it should say Google Chrome up here. Maybe if I open up Cinema 4D, it should work. Anyway, I'm just gonna load up Cinema 4D because Cinema 4D should work. Anyway, it will put whatever here, like you're running, instead of this Finder. And, well, basically, I forgot to mention something. You want to right click here and you want to go to skin it, and that's gonna skin it for you, and there you go. So I'm just gonna wait for this program to respawn because my computer is a piece of junk. I'm just gonna pause the video. Well, I don't know why it's not working, but as you can see, the dock, it's puts this above it, and the window is maximized, and yeah, it's pretty nice. So it puts it above it, and I don't see what's happening, but anyway, it's very, very nice, and this theme is very nice. So if you guys like this video, please click subscribe and the like button below. It helps me out a whole lot. So I will talk to you guys all very soon.